Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the right tools so the surface is safe to work on. Once ready, confirm the mark is dry erase by trying the eraser in a small corner. This saves time. Then, apply steady, circular pressure with a microfiber or felt eraser to lift the bulk of ink. You want friction, not scrubbing hard enough to damage the board. After removing most ink, make sure no residue remains before moving to stronger cleaners. Once the surface still shows stains, switch to isopropyl alcohol because it dissolves dried ink quickly. Spray lightly, wait 10 to 20 seconds so it penetrates, then wipe with a clean microfiber cloth in one direction. If ghosting persists, make a small baking soda paste and rub gently. This lifts residue without scratching. After the paste, rinse with a damp cloth and repeat the alcohol step if needed. Keep pressure moderate and test each method to protect the finish. You finish by applying a whiteboard cleaner or a 1-to-1 water and alcohol mixed to remove streaks and solvents. Wipe dry with a fresh microfiber towel to prevent lint and check for any missed spots. Make sure to condition the board occasionally with a recommended polish to keep it smooth. If a permanent marker was used by accident, write over it with a dry erase marker and erase right away. That dissolves the permanent ink and usually restores the surface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.